Now, imagine having to make $100 plus every single day just by learning some few skills that will take you between 2 weeks and 6 months maximum to learn. Sounds great, right? Yeah. At the present world we are right now, one of the best things you can do for yourself, as regardless of which country you live, is simply looking for a business or something you can actually do on the side to actually make a decent amount of money that could probably overtake your full-time job in a short period of time, provided that what you put in the time and effort into it. Like in this video, I'm going to share with you top 5 easiest things you can ever do to actually start making money with just dedicating 2 weeks to 6 months of your time in learning them. And after learning them, trust me, you are going to make some of the best and most easiest form of money ever to match the present world expenditure. Hustle idea number 1 on my list, which is the easiest to make the easiest form of money, is actually commodities or crypto or forex trading in general. Now, before you run away from this video, just stay tuned and hear what I have to tell you about trading. Now, I'm personally a trader myself. If you notice, I'm a trader myself. That's why I don't create much videos over here like I used to do years back. So when it comes to making money online, one of the most easiest things to ever make money from is actually trading. Be it cryptocurrency, forex, or then stock trading. These are the easiest ways in which you can actually make money regardless of where you are. And one of the reasons why I love them is that you don't pay tax on them when you're making money from them. You don't pay tax, like basically 0% tax, and when you're making money. And when it comes to learning trading, it could take you nothing less than 3 months to 6 months or a year period to be able to learn trading and start making a decent amount of money from it. Now, you don't have to run away because there are some skills on this list that will take you barely 2 weeks to actually learn. So if you are looking for one of the easiest and the laziest way to actually make money from trading, to actually make money from the internet in this modern age that we are living, then I would advise to get involved with trading. Now, when we talk about trading, we have cryptocurrency, forex. I'm not talking about all those option trading that they keep advertising on your YouTube videos, or those ones that they keep advertising on your mobile phones, play stores, and all of this. I'm not talking about those app trading. I'm talking about learning the actual forex or crypto trading itself and start making money from it. So personally for me, content creation like YouTube in here is my side hustle. My number 1 hustle is actually trading. So for those of you who've been following me for a while now, you know that I also have a trading YouTube channel called Perez Trade, where I basically talk about crypto and forex trading, because those are the things I personally do. Like initially, even before I come over to content creation, I've been doing trading already. The main thing that brought me to content creation was to raise capital. So now if you're looking for a business idea to actually make money in the easiest way, then I advise to go learn trading. Now, before you get started with trading, here's something I have to tell you. Trading is highly risky. Like highly risky. If 100 people start trading today, the chances of all the 100 staying to the end is below 5%. So at times when 100 people start trading, only 5-10 of them end up actually becoming traders. So I'm not going to force you into getting started with trading. And if you don't have a good way of actually managing yourself, our advice is stay out of trading, because trading is something very difficult and very risky to do. Now, the laziest also number 2 on my list is actually called freelancing. Now, what is freelancing? Freelancing is simply made for people who have skills. So if you don't have any particular skill out there, you can go learn anyone out there. Like the easiest form of skills to learn is simply graphic design, video editing, content writing, and then web development. These are some of the most easiest things you can learn that can take you anywhere between 2 weeks to 1-2 month period to actually start getting them together, provided that you put in enough time. So personally, I offer video editing services. Forget that I don't keep myself over editing my own YouTube videos. I don't do flashy editing. I offer flashy editing services for others. I do graphic design and all of that. But recently, I've lowered on my graphic design because I'm taking my trading more seriously than that. But apart from that, I do a lot of other side hustle as well. So that's why I'm personally sharing all of these ideas from me, from my own personal experience, and how I am personally benefiting from them as well. I'm a full-time hustler. If you're on my contact list, you will know that. So the side hustle number 2 I have for you is simply learn freelancing. And on freelancing, like it's very easy to get job nowadays because almost every single business out there trying to go digital. So it's either they are looking for a web developer, they are looking for a sales copywriter, they are looking for a video editor, or they are basically looking for someone to help their business in one way or the other, even managing their social media platforms. And if you know that you're actually looking for a way to make money online, our advice is to go over to your Google right now, on your search bar, or even on YouTube here right now. Search for the top demanded digital jobs right now. You're going to see a lot of them. Pick which of them that you think you can actually handle, and then put in more time. Learn it. Like some of them can take you nothing more than 2 weeks. But basically, I'll tell you, between 2 weeks and 2 months period of time, you'll be able to learn most of these skills, and all of them pay highly well. Now, you can get, when it comes to getting job as a freelancer, you can utilize your personal social media handles Like most of the freelancing job that I have gotten, such as video editing, social media ad setup, and then social media management that I've gotten, I got them from this YouTube channel or from my Facebook page. Basically because I talk about these things on my videos, and people who know me actually contact me, see my proof of work, and then I start working with most of them. So you can also get involved with it at all, and then start making some decent amount of money on the side. Whether I have a 9 to 5 job or not, it's not really that difficult to get started. However, when it comes over to freelancing, one thing you must get used to is that you must get used to abusive clients if you really want to grow. Sorry for that. Like a lot of clients are really going to sound abusive, and there are some things whereby you have to redo them over and over again. But the benefit of it is that what you do these things on your own time schedule, and not basically working in one office whereby they tie you down to get them done immediately. When it comes to freelancing, someone outsource you, give you the job, and then you get it done. When they need correction, you fix it up for them. Basically simple as that. Now that's simply the hustle number 2 on my list, is simply learn freelancing. Like go learn any digital skill on the billion list out there, and then start offering those services. And trust me, if you can dedicate this time into learning it, you'll be surprised about how much you'll be making from these skills in the next few months period. Now we are in 2024 coming to an end, so if you learn these things right now in 2025, like it might be one of the best years ever that you have in your record. Now the third one on my list is actually what I'm doing right now, content creation. Now wait, why did I even put content creation as third when it could have even come second? Well, the reason I put content creation in third position instead of second position is that content creation is not as easy as a lot of you think out there when it comes to getting started with content creation. And those of you who've tried it before, I believe you definitely know that it's not easy. Like even the most difficult form of content creation is what I'm doing right now, whereby I have to show my face on camera and all of that. However, at the end of the day, content creation pays really well, provided that what you tackle the monetization system the right way. Like basically when it comes to content creation, you can make money in several ways. The platform you upload your video pays you by showing ads on your video. You can promote affiliate offers on your videos, and at the same time you get sponsorship deals and a lot of those things, and also get people to call you to come help them, maybe teach them or help fix up something on their own social media handles, and they get paid for it as well. Like when it comes to content creation, I see that it's one of the most vast and then the easiest ways to make money off social media platforms. And when it comes to content creation, you don't have to spend any time learning it. Use 1 week, learn every single thing you want to know about YouTube. You don't have to pay for a mentor to do that if you don't have the money to pay for it, because I charge about $200 to teach most of the things that has to do with content creation. You can go check my website for that. But then if you don't have the money to pay for a mentor to see you through the process, you can basically search every single thing up here on YouTube. Like just search them up, learn them, and then get to know them. Like within 1 week of dedication, you should be able to know a lot of information needed for you to get started with content creation yourself. So that's simply all about the point number 3 here. Simply get started with content creation. And when you're picking to get started with content creation, I'll be honest with you, YouTube is the highest paying content creation platform. So don't go and waste your time trying to fight your way through other social media platforms. What I basically tell you is that shoot your videos in landscape format like this. You don't have to show your face. You can go faceless. I've created over 10-20 videos on how you can get started with faceless video ideas. You can see all of them on this channel by just going to my video tab on this channel. Very much simple and easy as that. With that aside, that's simply all about the third point here. Simply get started with content creation, and trust me, it's one of the best things you ever do for yourself. Like I don't do any 9 to 5 job, even though I'm trying to work on some physical business. But apart from that, I don't have any 9 to 5 job I do out there. I'm a full-time content creator and trader, and at times I do get some freelancing jobs that I do once in a while. But as we all know, freelance revenue is not 100% fixed. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So does your YouTube revenue as well. But the truth is that content creation will give you one of the best life ever, provided that what you put in the time and effort to actually get to where you are going. Like my other channel that is barely 1 year and some months old, I have close to 150, or if I'm not mistaken, heading to 200 videos already. On this channel of 3 years, I'm heading to 400 videos already. To tell you that what, it's not really easy to go there. And presently, if you've been watching a lot of my videos, you know that my voice is kind of down here because I just finished recording a different video for a different channel before coming up here to come record for this channel as well. So that's basically about the point number 3 here. Simply get started with content creation and then start making some decent amount of money. Like you can even make more than $100 a day with content creation depending on the niche you pick for yourself. Now, the point number 4 here is simply affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is one of the most easiest risk-free business ideas that you can get yourself involved in. So basically with affiliate marketing, you simply look for a company that has a product they are selling that has an affiliate offer. What you basically do is that what you take the link of this particular product and then go promote it as well, like go promote it on social media handles, create social media reels and all of that to promote it. A lot of people who make money off promoting affiliate offers are there. Like personally for me, I used to do affiliate marketing, but then I stopped along the way when I got very good and then very decent at trading. I had to cut on my affiliate marketing because the reason why I cut is that I have a lot of things doing and I don't want to get myself distracted, so I have to cut off that particular one. So basically for me, if you ask me, I'll tell you that affiliate marketing is one of the best things you can also do for yourself as well as someone looking for a way to make money online. Because with affiliate marketing, you are not investing any money. Unlike trading, you have to invest time and money. Content creation, you have to invest money to probably get some basic gadgets. And then which other job again? Like a lot of the things on there will require you to actually spend a bit of money. But with affiliate marketing, you actually don't have to spend anything. All you basically need is just the ability to sign up to these affiliate banks like Impact Radius, which other one again? JVZoo, and then Amazon Associates, AliExpress Ali Affiliate Program. There are so many affiliate programs out there that you can basically sign up to get their product and then start promoting. And if you need a full video on how you can get started with affiliate marketing, I've created a full video on it on how you can use AIs for affiliate marketing. Now, instead of you to even stress yourself trying to shoot videos like the way I'm shooting right now to promote affiliate offers and all of that, AIs can basically help you get the videos and everything done for you to start promoting your product, and I'll be tagging that in the video description as well. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, it really pays well, but then it requires a lot of time if you want to make decent amount of money. And once you are getting started, I advise you to do it on a 100% free scale. What I mean by 100% free scale, simply don't invest any money until you start seeing money from your organic ways. So basically, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, create a TikTok account, create a Facebook, Instagram, and probably a YouTube channel as well. And then use AIs to create videos to promote that particular product. And in case you want to learn how you can do this, you don't have to stress yourself. You don't have to go pay for a mentorship. I got you covered already. I'll be tagging a video on that down in the video description as well. So let's move over to the final tip when it actually comes to making money online, like the laziest business ideas to make money. Now, the final one on my list is simply buying and selling of products. Now, buying and selling of products, is it really a lazy man's idea? Well, it could be a lazy man's idea, and then on the other hand, it might not be a lazy man's idea because it requires some time and then money to get started. But it's highly lucrative because I have a lot of people who is doing it. Like someone who is very attached to me is also doing this buying and selling. They basically buy either clothes, gadgets, and all those things. They go to countries, nearby countries that sell these products at a cheaper rate, buy them, ship them in, and then start selling them. Or some of them even order it from China, countries like China and all those Asia countries that produce a lot of this product, meaning that it's way cheaper over there. So they ship those products in and they start selling. However, to get started with this business, you should need a minimum of about $300 to $500 to actually get started. So this is basically not really a lazy man's idea because in some part of the world, $500 isn't what a lazy man can actually move out of his pocket to start a business right away. Because if you are in Nigeria, $500 is approximately over 800 to 900,000 naira, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if I'm not mistaken. It should approximately be that. I can check my phone right now. So that's basically it about all the points I have for you in this video when it comes to easy ways to actually make money. Simply trying all of these things that I've shared with you. Remember, I gave you trading, forex trading, personal do forex and crypto trading. Get into content creation, very easy, freelancing, and then affiliate marketing, and finally get into buying and selling of products. Now, some of these ones might require you to invest money, some might not require you. So all of them is totally up to you on which of them you actually want to do. But remember that anything that requires you to invest money has risk in it. And those that don't require you to invest money might not really pay you well right away, because if you are buying and selling a product, your profit is guaranteed, provided that you know how to do it well. Now, how do you do it well? I'm not here to teach you how you can do it well. For me to explain that whole process to you, it can push this video to about 1 hour, 2 hours or more. So if you need to create a dedicated video teaching you how you can actually get started with a buying and selling business as well, regardless of where you live in, kindly let me know that in the comment section and I'll work on that as well. So that is basically all about it in this video. And for a lot of the sessions that I mentioned in this video, like if you want to learn forex trading, my other channel is there to see you through. Like I share every single thing, how I personally do my trading, and every single thing about my trading history is over there. And if you want to get started with content creation, this channel got you covered with every single thing you need. Now, if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I have some few videos on affiliate marketing as well. If you want to get started with buying and selling business, I'm sorry, I don't have videos on that yet. But very soon, I'll be bringing those videos down on this channel, or I might actually create a different channel where I talk about those particular business in person, because I will be getting involved with them sooner. That's why I'm being scarce on YouTube lately. So this already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye.